If you look closely here, you can see the faint outline of a triangle or a pyramidal structure or a tetrahedron that goes from each corner here and here to the bottom south pole, and then the same thing from the south pole to the north pole. This is a shape that's been talked about in mystery schools for forever. It's called the star tetrahedron, sometimes called the Star of David or the Merkaba. This shape is the shape that represents how things implode at their center. And I find it absolutely amazing that now, with our technology catching up to what the ancients suggested, we're able to actually see these things with our technology. You can even see a ring around Jupiter where it's imploding around that central band. We'll get into this more with the upcoming modules in the course, but this is amazing. This is a sure sign that we're onto something, and the next few decades are going to be absolutely amazing. Dan Winter put together an image showing the Merkaba or star tetrahedron on top of a human being, and how when it implodes, it collapses and creates other familiar sacred geometry shapes, like the dodecahedron, the icosahedron, the cube, and a tetrahedron. All related to how things implode, which we will get into further. Again, everything is moving, from galaxies to subatomic particles. Nothing is really standing still. Motion is the language of the universe, and how you're moving in relationship to something else is literally how you represent yourself and are able to even tell what you are in relationship to anything else. Even your thoughts have a ebb and flow to them, as we discussed at the beginning, because you can go from extreme happiness to extreme depression in an afternoon, and you'll have no idea why that happened. But it's just a normal process of the universe trying to reach equilibrium or return to its ultimate source. This interrelationship is sometimes called in different fields or different emerging thoughts as things like the morphogenic field or an electromagnetic field, or sometimes called the quantum field. But they're all really the same thing at different states.